I'm Matt Miklius, the founder of the Think Tank, and I am so excited to welcome you to the Fill the Math Gaps program. We've spent years developing this program, and we're really excited about what it can do for you and the results that we've already seen with the thousands of students that we've been working with so far. Students who complete this program, they grow in confidence, they grow in their ability, they frankly grow in their test scores when they complete the Fill the Math Gaps program. See, the way you're used to learning math in school is always in little bite-sized pieces, right? Like let's say you're learning the rules of exponents. You spend a day working on it, and then you do another worksheet with the same skill the next day. Now that's a wonderful way to learn a skill like exponents. However, it's not a great way to retain that skill in the long term, and it's not a great way to really master and understand what that skill means and when it applies. In a certain sense, math is kind of trained that way in school, right? You're always learning one little skill at a time. Well, the Fill the Math Gaps program is different. What we're looking at in any given quiz is the full range of math skills that you've seen up to this point in your academic career. And so we're going to challenge you to recognize and remember and apply all the different skills and formulas and strategies that you've learned. It's not always going to be easy, and that's kind of the point. Now, a big word of caution to you. You should not expect the same kind of scores that you're used to getting in school. If you're getting an A in math class, that's awesome and that's great and I'm happy for you. But I wouldn't expect that you're going to be scoring in the 90s on the Fill the Math Gaps quizzes. And why is that? It's because every quiz is so broad in its scope. Every quiz is going to challenge you to recognize things from 1 year ago, 2 years ago, maybe even 4 years ago, and then apply it correctly. That means you're going to remember formulas and approaches and strategies and factoring and all these different things that you've been learning for years. The key is, in the long term, by forcing yourself to work through these problems and relearn the things that maybe you have little gaps in, you're going to get better at not only filling those gaps, but also a deep understanding of all the things you've been learning in math for all these years. You're going to understand why you've been learning all these skills. You're going to understand when they apply, and you're going to get better at solving problems. And that is the long-term goal. We are excited to keep an eye on your progress, to see the work that you're going to put in, and to watch you grow in confidence and capabilities and to fill your math gaps. We're looking forward to working with you.